Hi kids, I want to show you my kitchen playset collections. Okay, so first is here. These are my little pony toys, and my utensils is hanging in there. And then my extra casserole. Okay. And this is my frying pan. This is my casserole. Can use this like this one. Okay. Let's put it here. Okay. Oops. Okay. And this is my blender. Okay, there are different kinds of fruits in there. So you can operate it. You can operate this blender by, okay, you need to press it. Okay. Okay, and this is my toy, Princess Anna. Okay, and this is my collections of different kinds of fish. Okay, I have my crab also. Okay. Here is my vegetables and chicken and my eggs and my donut. Actually, it's only a toy. Okay, it's only a toy, and it's not real donuts. Okay, so nice, so yummy. Okay, and these are my Hello Kitty friends. Hello Kitty, hello. Hi, hello everybody. Okay, and okay, wow. Wow. And my another storage. Okay. Wow. Okay kids, did you like my collections? Yeah, me too. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.